Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Islander in granite crystal metallic with Islander Plus package by MOPAR, Islander hood decal, 17-inch aluminum wheels, rock protection, sill rails, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, remote start system, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, TIKI Bob spare tire cover by MOPAR, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number 10950A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.